what's going on, guys? It's Sergio.
And Sheila.
And we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, so today we're in Briarwood. It's a neighborhood here in Dallas. It's only 5 minutes from Love Field Airport. You can probably hear planes flying over us now. We're also located literally like maybe 5 to 7 minutes from the Park Cities, which is Highland Park and University Park, and approximately 15 minutes to downtown Dallas, just down the tollway. But anyway, Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, this is built in 2023. It's a 5-bedroom, 4.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 4,328 square feet. It's currently listed at $2,095,000, which is $484 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.16 acre lot, which is roughly 7,200 square feet, and it was built by Hainsworth Custom Homes.
Fantastic. Thank you, Sheila, for that information. I want to remind you that anytime you're looking to buy or sell, you need proper representation, especially when dealing with these luxury homes. So if you're choosing to partner with us, you get over 10 years of experience, you get the #1 luxury broker in Dallas, and you get 2 agents, not just one, which is a proven winning team, Sheila and I. Anyways, enough about that. Let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're in the market to sell your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.